Hey everybody, I got a quick little itty bitty update onto the 87 Buick Grand National. Kind of got the interior done. But before that, I'd like to say thank you so much, Tom. Means a lot to me to send a Christmas card to wish me and my wife happy, or Merry Christmas, I should say. The card is really cool. You really always have the best model associated Christmas cards. So thank you, Tom. I hope you have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And I haven't been really posting too many videos. I do really apologize for that. I appreciate everybody who's sticking around. A lot of great comments. I haven't commented back on any of them. I feel guilty for it. But things have been getting a little busy and a little burnout, I guess. I don't know. So I figured I'd get on here and do a couple videos. I'm going to start working on a kit that has nothing to do with cars. And hopefully I get out of this rut soon and get back at it. But I think I'm trying to do these two, the Grand National and the 76 gas station truck. I'm trying to nitpick them too much, and it's kind of taking the fun out of it. So, trying to do the airbrushing and all that. I know a lot of you guys are really good at it, and it goes easy. But my thing is space, digging it all out, and getting it set up, then doing it. And I also just don't seem to think it is as strong as all the other ones. And I'm using the Mr. Color, and I'm mixing them properly and all that. They do seem strong, but every once in a while it seems like you get a little chip in it, or the glue will mess with it. And so it's a little bit of a learning curve, but I'm doing it the way the instructions are saying. But you know, even then you still find some flaws in it. But other than that, I've been working on both of them at the same time. And let's take a look at the interior that I just did. So, like I said, this is for the Buick Grand National. They had one decal in there for the speedometer. I put that in there, and then I put that UV resin on top to give it that glass look. I cured that. The black and the gray, darker gray, it's all hand painted. And I painted all that, and then I sprayed over it with a clear. Hopefully I'm in focus. But the Grand Nationals that I've seen, they have that piping around the seats. So I try to do that. It's not perfect, but it's not awful either. This kit has in the decals a silver that's supposed to go, but I didn't see it as a silver. I saw it as a gray. So I didn't want to really use the decal. And then looking at the picture right now, the headrest is silver with the logo. And I looked at a bunch of pictures, and they all had a black headrest. Because even in the molding, it's got the piping that goes around there. I'm probably wrong. I always seem to be wrong. Looking at pictures and you're still wrong. But it's a little bit of texture in there from the clear, but if you got it in the car, you don't see it. But I did flock the floor. I did a black and a lighter gray mix, so it's mostly black, but it has a little bit of difference in there. I noticed if you add that lighter gray in there, it seems to make it more noticeable to the eye. So if you do just pure black, It's not super noticeable once you got that in the car, so I wanted to avoid that. And it's kind of hard to see, but I got the Grand National on the floor mats. So I painted it all black, and I put those decals down, and then I used the Mod Podge for my locking. But I just painted around those, made sure I got no paint on there, flocked it, let it dry, shook it off, and then I did another coat of glue, and then I went around it just like that again. And it actually worked. I was kind of nervous about it, but it turned out pretty good. I'm pretty happy with it. But that's all that was in this part. So I got the interior pretty much done. I got to do the dole light. It's a red piece of plastic, so I got to paint the whole outside black or whatever color it is. And the interior is done. I made sure it fit in the body before I painted the body. I did have to sand down these sides. And of course, by doing that, I cracked an A-pillar. Seems like them are pretty easy to crack on this kit. It's very thin. So now I just pretty much got to paint that body black and work with all that great, body work and such, and then it be able to put it together. One thing I think I'm going to do is in the interior, I don't know if I'll do it in the passenger seat or in the back seat, but I'm thinking about doing a bag of groceries or 2 bags of groceries and a case of pop or something like that. So it's like you just got done at the grocery store or at the gas station store and filling it up with gas. So we'll see how that goes. Figured it'd be a nice little touch. Maybe have a case of beer in the back or something like that. But we'll see. Alright, let me know what you think. And if I don't see you before Christmas, a Merry Christmas to everybody and a Happy New Year. And until next time, I'll talk to you then. Bye.